From Mark Twain's famous novels to the birth of the blues, the Mississippi River has played a significant role in shaping America's cultural landscape. We are globetrotting through retirement, celebrating America 250 on the mighty Mississippi River at Guttenberg, Iowa.
Here comes Captain Jamie.
We're taking a boat ride with Jamie out here at the landings, and he starts our journey handing out the regulation marine safety equipment.
Okay.
And before you know it, we're on our way. Along the way, our grandkids take in the amazing wildlife that
There
we're
we
seeing.
go, there they go.
They're
Hey.
birds. They are birds.
Docking back at the landings, we hear about the interesting history of this place that used to be a button factory. Guttenberg, Iowa is a great small town in Iowa with lots of charm and a place we will return as we continue globetrotting through retirement, celebrating America 250.